In this video, we are gonna talk about a perimeter. So first, what is a perimeter? So a perimeter is the distance around the figure. Like for example here. So this side is 4 units long, this side is 3 units long, this side is also 3 units long, and this side is 2.5 units long. So how are we gonna find the perimeter of this figure? So you're just gonna simply add the numbers in the following figure. So for example here we have 2.5, then we're gonna add 3 and add 3 again, and lastly 4. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, and 10 plus 2.5 is 12.5. So the perimeter of this figure is 12.5 units. So what do we call on a perimeter of a circle? So the perimeter of a circle is called the circumference. Circumference. So let's discuss the basic parts of a circle. So the distance from the center of the circle to any point of a circle is called the radius. So any distance of the point, so that is called the radius. And the line segment whose endpoints are on the circle is called the chord. So the chord is right here. And the chord that passes through the center of the circle is called a diameter. So this is a diameter. So it takes about 3.14 diameters to go all the way around a circle. The exact number is a circle is what we called a pi. So we use this symbol to represent pi. It takes pi diameters to equal the circumference, and it takes 2 pi radii to equal the circumference. When we use 3.14 as an approximation of pi, we use the symbol, which is like just two wavy lines, which means approximately equal to. So the circumference of the circle is pi diameter, or the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. From this, we will see that the number pi is the number when we divide the circumference of any circle by its diameter. For any circle, pi is equal to the circumference over diameter. We can use this relationship to find the circumference of a circle if we know the diameter, and to find the diameter if we know the circumference. Like for example, pi times diameter is equal to circumference, and the diameter is circumference over pi. To write pi as a decimal number would require an infinite number of digits, because pi is an irrational number. A calculator gives a decimal approximation of pi as 3.141592654, and so on. In other calculations that involve the number pi, we can use 3.14 as an approximation, or use the pi key on a calculator, which gives a more accurate approximation.